Hello students. Today we are going to read the story Bringing Up Curry, and I will explain you the story in short or in summarized form. Bringing Up Curry, the second chapter of your supplementary reader book, and it is written by Dhan Gopal Mukherjee. This story is a part of the novel Curry the Elephant. The story is a narrative description of a small elephant. The narrator tells about the growth and habits of the elephant. This makes the reader aware of the routine of an elephant. So let us start the summary. The narrator is a 9-year-old child who was given a duty to look after a 5-month-old elephant named Curry. During the first 2 years, the boy could reach the back of the elephant with ease or easily. But after that, he couldn't because the elephant grew up. Curry lived in a pavilion with a thatched roof. Curry fed on 40 pounds of twigs. So, on daily basis, he used to eat 40 pounds of twigs. Twigs means small and soft branches of tree with leaves. It was taken every day to river for bath. The narrator used to rub sand on its back for an hour, then it immersed into the water. Later it came out with pleasure and shining skin. It proves that Curry loved to take bath in river water. While coming back, the narrator goes inside the jungle or forest to collect the soft branches and leaves of tree that is known as twigs for Curry's dinner. The narrator also told that elephants won't touch a mutilated twig. That means the dried one. It could be easily handled if taken by its ears. That means you can handle an elephant by pulling its ears. One day, in the month of March, when the narrator was gathering food from banyan tree, he suddenly heard Curry's voice. With an apprehension, the narrator ran to where Curry was. When he reached there, he realized that Curry might be drowning in the river water. He saw that Curry just dropped down to the river and he thought that Curry was drowning. However, it came out as a savior, and the narrator saw that Curry was trying to save a drowning boy. It extended its trunk to come out of the water with lots of struggle. Curry was mischievous but understands with training. It developed liking for ripe bananas when it tasted once. Curry stole away the fruits placed in the dining room at various instances. The elders were ignorant of Curry's attitude and passed the blame, or they thought that the bananas kept on the table of dining room was eaten or theft either by the servants or by the narrator. The narrator got infuriated because he knew that he didn't take or he was not a thief. After investigation, he found a smashed banana in Curry's pavilion. So he understood everything, that Curry was the thief who used to put his trunk through the window and take the bananas from the table. The next day, Curry put its trunk again inside the window to take out the fruits kept on the table. Unaware of such intrusions, the Curry's fault or its this attitude just known to all. He went to Curry's pavilion, following it, and there he saw fruits scattered around Curry. He called his parents to reveal the truth and scolded Curry. Curry seemed to have understood its fault and it squealed. However, it was a revenge by the narrator for Curry. Now, the elephant also used to learn signals and sounds. It was also taught by narrator to Curry. Two words, Mali and Dhat, were used to teach Curry how to sit and or when to sit and when to walk. By pulling the ear and saying that, the narrator used to tell Curry or communicate with Curry to tell him to sit down. And by pulling his trunk and saying Mali, it was told to walk and stand up and walk. It acted according to the command. After that, the most important signal that was taught to the elephant was the master call. Curry learned a master call in 5 years. It was a signal to save the master of an elephant if he get lost in the jungle. If it is a situation that a master just lost in the jungle and there was nothing but the moon on the sky and he couldn't recognize the way to come out, that time the master call was given to the elephant, and the elephant used to just pull down all the trees one by one, and with the sound of breaking trees, others animal just run away from the place. And after some time the master can see a clear way with the moonlight and he can come out from the forest safely. And in this way the story ends. तो पूरे स्टोरी में यही हुआ, नैरेटर जो कि एक बच्चा था 9 years old, वो कैसे एक 5 महीने की एलिफेंट को ट्रेनिंग देके बड़ा किया, एंड मोर ओवर वो एलिफेंट का क्या क्या हैबिट्स था, वो क्या क्या करता था, सारी चीज़ें स्टोरी में डिटेल में डिस्क्राइब किए हैं नैरेटर ने. And in this way, we also learn the behavior or habit of an elephant.